Yo, what is going on? How you going? I hope you're having a good day so far, or good night, depending on what time it is where you're watching. Today, we're going to be doing something that I've never really done before, and that's going to be cosplay photography. Now, I've shot models before, and that's been really fun, and I actually really enjoy shooting models. It's something that I want to do more, but I haven't really explored this sort of idea of photography, and it is something that I've wanted to do because me and Mike play this game. I'm sure you've heard of it. It's called Watch Dogs. It's like GTA, but you can hack shit. And I've always wanted to incorporate that sort of cyberpunk vibe and that sort of gaming vibe into my photography, but I've never done it before. So I want to try and get that tonight maybe. But yeah, I'm going to stop talking and yeah, let's go to Mike's house. Oh, all right, that was pretty easy. Alright, we're here. Mike's holding my camera.
No, it wasn't.
Mate, you can't hide. Like, everyone just saw you. I just turned it around. What do you mean? What the fuck? Mate, everyone can see you. Oh my god.
Oh, fuck! No, I'm not here.
Charlie, how are you?
You're freaking my cat out.
Hey, Charlie.
Hey, who's that?
Ooh.
Who's that?
Oh, shit.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
So what is the actual plan for tonight? Because
Okay.
I don't really know, because you've been organising it.
Yeah, I have been. Okay, so there's a girl, her name's Tina, and she does a lot of cosplay modeling in particular. And I asked her, like, hey, let's do a night shoot because me and Liam like shooting at night because we're good at it.
Yeah.
So whatever, let's do something we're good at.
We're going to go into the city, but I was also saying before how we wanted to incorporate that sort of watchdog style.
Yeah, definitely.
And I want to try and incorporate that into tonight's shoot. I think that'd be awesome,
It would
but
be
I don't
awesome.
really know. Like,
I don't know how we're gonna do it. Like, it doesn't have to be watchdogs, but I'd like to incorporate.
Arm's getting sore.
I would like to incorporate video games of some description. But
Yeah.
Watch Dogs is just cool because it's based around nighttime.
Yeah, and we love playing it anyway.
Yeah, we love playing
so-
it as well. So
Yeah, we're not really going to plan too much, but I think we're going to go and head out.
Yeah.
I don't know what time, like once it starts to get dark.
Yeah.
Once it starts to get dark a bit. But Hayden's about to get here any second, and he's going to be shooting with us tonight. But what he doesn't know, and Mike doesn't know this either, I've got Hayden's jacket that you know that jacket?
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna wear it.
I've got that jacket. It's in my bag. Hayden gave it to me about 4 months ago. He literally gave me this jacket 4 months ago.
Yep.
And I'm gonna wear it. I want to see if he notices. Like, he's gonna notice, but I want to see what his reaction is.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell Hayden to act as if he's just come in.
Yeah.
Like, I'll be like, oh yeah, just act as if you've just come in. And then when he goes out, I'll put on my jacket. I'll put on his jacket.
Okay.
We'll see what he does.
Okay.
You for the photo.
Yeah.
Oi, I need you to act as if you've just come in.
Yeah, I heard you saying Hayden's just about to come in.
No, can you go through this door?
Okay. It's gonna be weird because on my vlog I'm gonna feel like that. It doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't matter.
I'll tell you when to come out. It'll literally be like, I just gotta put my phone and shit down.
Yeah.
I'll count you in, Hayden. Yeah. Or wait, just come in 2 seconds after I tell you to, alright? Little did Hayden know we were about to prank him for a little shitty joke that lasted only 5 seconds. Alright, come in 2 seconds. Alright. Yeah, I think he's about to come any second. Hey bro, how are ya?
Dude, give it back now. Don't even. No. You're not a true American. Give me this right now.
You know how long I've had this for?
I do jiu-jitsu. No.
This is really awkward because there's not much room in here, but are you keen for the shoot?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it'll be good.
Always.
We're in my car. Let's go.
Whip transitions.
Oh, what
I'm
was that?
sick of them, alright? I'm sick of the whip transitions. You think you're good at B-roll just because you do these.
Woo! Yeah. Who's better at whip transitions, me or Hayden?
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
look at this
arrogant
train.
about it.
You reckon you'll be able to hear me right now? It's probably a bit too loud.
But I can't hear what you're saying.
We're trying to find the model now because this is one of the things that happens on a photo shoot sometimes. Sort of, it's miscommunication where the model thinks you're at one place and you think they're at some place, and then you pretty much just both get lost. So I think we're trying to find...
It's all part of it though.
It's all part of it. It's all right. I think we've found where she is. I think she's just down here. So this is a spot now. This is the first spot of the night. It's like this footbridge. It's actually really cool. You can get some cool photos from this angle here, but when you turn around, you've got the city in the background, and that makes it a really good shot, especially if you have a nice zoom lens on.
Hello.
So this is Tina. What shots do you want to get tonight? Do you have a photo that you want to get? or just
That's
like?
a great question.
Yeah, I know, it's a hard question.
Look, I'll let you guys direct
Yeah.
me, but maybe some like cool fighting shots because everyone always
Fighting
harasses me.
shots?
Yeah.
All right.
Everyone harasses me for action martial arts shots.
As
Are they
in-
the best photos that have gone, like the photos that have gone the best on your feed? Have they been the fighting shots?
Either fighting shots or of my ass.
The photo that I think I want to get is, I'm going to get a photo of you, I think,
Yep.
standing here
Yep.
with the 35mm one, because that's going to be the sharpest quality. You probably
No
don't-
idea what you're talking
You
about.
don't know what I
but
mean.
that sounds
Yeah,
fantastic.
you don't know what I mean. You know what I mean. We'll just go and do it.
Dude,
So I think that shot went pretty well. Obviously I gotta wait till I get home, but the next photo we want to get is with this city in the background here. And I'm gonna get Tina to stand like on this sort of pathway thing. I think it'll be a good shot because I'm using the 35. I want there to be that slight bokeh because this lens creates the best bokeh. Not as good as the 85, but it's still good. But I want to try get that slight bokeh in this next shot. Well, that's certainly a first. Can't ever really say that I've done cosplay photography before, but now I've done it. So, wait. No, that means I can say that I've done cosplay photography now. That was actually a really interesting shoot. Like I was saying at the start of the video, like I have shot models before, but I've never done this theme of cosplay photography where people dress up as characters from like comic books or movies or games or all that sort of stuff. And I have to say it was fun. I enjoyed it, and I'm actually looking forward to doing more of these kinds of shoots in the future. Before I get into the photos, I just wanted to give a shout out to Tina, who was the model for tonight. Definitely go and give her a follow because she did a really good job at modeling tonight. Anyways, let's get into the photos. So the first photo here was in that first location, which was looking down this tunnel. So I had the 35mm on, and I asked Tina to hold out the buttons like towards the camera so that it would create this sort of depth effect. And the reason that that happens is because I had her face in focus, which meant that anything that was really close to the lens would be out of focus, as well as the background. So that's how we got that effect in this photo. I was happy with it, but I knew that I could do better. I felt like I wanted to do a better shot than that. So I was scouting around the spots, and then I saw this little pathway which was like on the side of the tunnel thing that we were standing on. I was like, hang on, that'd actually be a really cool shot if Tina was standing in this sort of like pathway just to the side looking over at the city. So we got a couple of shots here. We got this one, and then we finally landed on this shot here, which was the one that I was really happy with. And like I said at the start of this video, I wanted to play around with maybe cyberpunk or that sort of style of editing. So I took the photo and it started with this one. I edited to this in Lightroom, and then I put this cyberpunk edit on it in Photoshop. So I was actually really happy with how this turned out, and I definitely want to do more of this sort of stuff. Anyways, that pretty much brings us to the end of this video. If you did like it, remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, if you have any other video suggestion ideas, remember to leave them down below or send me a direct message on Instagram at 7th Era, because I really want to hear what you guys want to see, and I'm interested in what videos you guys want to see of me. That's all for today. As always, stay inspired, keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.